What you are about to witness is not just a restoration, it is a resurrection. A machine, left for dead and consumed by time, is about to be completely reborn. The journey from ruin to radiance begins now. First, every layer of decay must be peeled back. A meticulous deconstruction to uncover what remains. Each pod, a prisoner of rust. Even the smallest components are fused by corrosion. This is a battle of patience against neglect. Force and finesse are required in equal measure. The motorcycle's frame, a skeleton of its former self. The deeper the disassembly, the greater the challenge. Every piece tells a story of abandonment. The process is slow, deliberate, and essential for the transformation to come. Uncovering hidden mechanisms, long since ceased. Each bolt removed is a small victory. The bike is slowly reduced to its core components. Only when it is completely broken down can it be truly rebuilt. Now, the heart of the machine must be addressed. The engine, a complex puzzle of corroded parts. A cleansing mist begins to dissolve years of grime. With a surgeon's precision, the inner workings are exposed. Fragile connections are carefully severed. Persuasion and power are needed to open the engine's core. Inside, a hidden world of gears, stained by old oil. Each gear is methodically lifted from its housing and reused H gear. The soul of the engine is carefully extracted. The crankshaft, the very spine of the motor, is removed. Fire and friction become tools of purification. New strength is forged in the heart of the flame. The scars of the past are meticulously erased. Every surface is smoothed, prepared for a new beginning. A collaborative effort to cleanse every single piece. The components, once tarnished, are now pristine. The meticulous process of reassembly begins. The engine's heart is reborn, stronger than before. A silent testament to incredible craftsmanship. From the ashes of the old, a new identity emerges. A vibrant, audacious pink. The old, greasy internals await their new home. Lifeblood is carefully applied to the gleaming new casing. The intricate dance of gears begins once more. Each bearing placed with absolute precision. Modern tools secure the revitalized components. The engine is sealed, its transformation almost complete. A final act of securing its newfound power. Piece by piece, the mechanical marvel comes together. A symphony of moving parts restored to harmony. The attention to detail is astonishing. Every component plays its part in the rebirth. Meanwhile, other elements of the bike await their turn. The old is washed away, making way for the new. A new skin is carefully measured and cut, stitched with skill, a seat worthy of the new design. The new upholstery is secured with industrial strength, a perfect fusion of comfort and style. Every detail is considered in this masterpiece. Even the seat's foundation is given new life. The old structure is carefully prepared. Shattered pieces of the past are carefully mended with a healing bond. The cracks are smoothed over, erasing all imperfections. A blast of color signifies a bold new chapter, but the bike's very skeleton is still plagued by decay. Two figures work to combat the deep-seated rust, a painstaking process of scraping away the corrosion. Sparks fly as the frame is ground back to its purest form. Every inch is cleared of its rusty shell. Preparing the foundation for a new structure, a chemical treatment to protect against future decay. Welding fire stitches the metal, making it whole again. The new welds are ground smooth, leaving no trace of repair. The frame is reinforced, stronger than ever. Another pass to ensure a flawless surface. Unnecessary fragments are cut away. The final polish before the ultimate transformation. A lustrous coat of silver heralds the final stage. A new layer is applied, adding depth and protection. The surface is hand finished to perfection. Then, a cloak of deep, rich black. The frame is completely enveloped in its new armor. Attention now turns to the suspension. The rust is aggressively stripped away, revealing the gleaming metal hidden beneath. A chemical bath dissolves the remaining corrosion. The next color choice is prepared. The wheels, too, must be freed from their rusty prison. The old brake components are carefully pried away. A cleansing ritual for every nut and bolt. No part is too small to escape this purification. Meticulous cleaning ensures flawless operation. The critical braking system is completely restored. Hand sanding for a perfectly smooth finish. Modern tools aid in the careful disassembly. Even the most stubborn parts must yield. A powerful spray blasts away the last vestiges of dirt. The old tire is separated from the rim. The final components begin their transformation. The rusted wheels are scrubbed back to life. A chemical agent works its magic, lifting the decay. The rust gives way, revealing the potential beneath. One final vigorous cleaning. Washed clean. The wheel is ready for its new coat. A glossy black finish is expertly applied, creating a perfect mirror-like surface. The tire is repaired. Its integrity restored. The new tire is fitted to the pristine wheel. Brake discs are polished to a brilliant shine. The smallest parts are brought back from the brink. Every plastic component is revived and given a sleek black finish. The final assembly begins. A creation takes shape. The nervous system of wires is carefully installed. The bold, pink bodywork is unveiled. The machine's new face is put into place. The custom seat crowns the masterpiece. From forgotten relic to a breathtaking reality. The transformation is complete. Reborn and ready to ride.
A very special thank you to the owner of the YouTube channel at Restoration Channel 56 for creating this wonderful video and allowing me to comment. If you enjoyed this narrative, please visit and support their channel at the link in the description below.